Oops, what the? Sorry guys. He is my friend Vaca, don't think badly of him, please forgive him, he won't interrupt again. Okay, let's start. I am going to become a big. Sorry, I am going to make our channels become big.
Yes, exactly.
Vaca, don't disturb, go away. Cool, let's start again. Vacavids enthusiasts. Today, we're embarking on a journey to revolutionize our YouTube channel. We're a small creator hungry for growth. Stick around as we explore some out-of-the-box ideas to propel our channel to new heights in 2024. Let's jump in. The first thing is to make interactive content. Yes, engage your audience with interactive content. Conduct polls, challenges, or QA sessions to create a two-way conversation that keeps viewers invested in your channel. The second thing is focus on behind-the-scenes insights. It means, offer a glimpse behind the curtain. Share behind-the-scenes footage of your creative process, bloopers, or day-in-the-life vlogs. Authenticity builds a stronger connection with your audience. The third thing is unique thumbnail strategies. Thumbnail game strong. Experiment with eye-catching and unique thumbnails. A compelling thumbnail can significantly increase click-through rates and attract new viewers.
Sorry for the interruption, guys. I want to tell you one thing. Please comment on the mistake he made in this content.
Hey Vaca, go away. Guys, you can also post positive comments as well. Okay, let's continue. The fourth thing is live streaming events. Go live. Hosting live streaming events, whether it's a live QA, gaming session, or special event, creates a real-time connection with your audience and boosts your channel's visibility. The fifth thing is storytelling techniques. You should be the master of storytelling. Craft compelling narratives in your videos to keep viewers captivated from start to finish. A good story can leave a lasting impact and encourage sharing. Next, diversify your content. Don't be afraid to diversify your content. Experiment with different formats, topics, or even collaboration styles to keep your channel fresh and attract a wider audience. Next, create a signature series. Develop a signature series. Whether it's a weekly challenge, a tutorial series, or a unique segment, having a consistent series can create anticipation and loyalty among your viewers. And next, host virtual meetups or workshops. Bring your community together virtually. Host virtual meetups, workshops, or discussions to foster a sense of belonging among your audience and provide value beyond your regular content. The final one is utilize emerging platforms. Explore emerging platforms. Don't limit yourself to YouTube alone. Consider leveraging newer platforms or features that align with your content to reach different audiences.
Hey buddy, give me a few seconds. I want to ask the audience one thing.
Yes, you can. But this is the last chance, mind it.
Okay, guys, do you know why YouTube? If you know about that, great. Else, click the I button to learn about it, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.
Cool, bye Vaca. Yes, we have done. Okay guys, remember, innovation and authenticity are your best allies in this journey. If you enjoyed these tips, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell for more revolutionary content. Until next time, stay creative and keep pushing boundaries. This is Vacavids, signing off.